Hello everyone, my name is Petro, and in this video I'm going to be showing you a 32-piece set or bit set from PARKSIDE. On an old video I showed you the 15-bit set, and in this one I'll be showing you the 32-piece. So we are going to see what the difference is between them two. So I bought this specific one again from Lidl. I paid $6.99 for it, but you can buy them online from retailers such as eBay, Amazon, or any other tool website that have stock of it. I'll show you the other packaging, and then of course we'll go to the product itself, and also how and where you can use this one. So let's get started. So this one is a fairly small box compared to the 15-piece. So I would say is about 30% smaller. It's definitely not half, but also around 30% smaller than the 15-piece bit set. Again, everything is one place, nice, solid. So if I were to zoom in, some information on the front. Then at the bottom you have the barcode, nothing on the left side, nothing on the right side. And at the top, some other information, and that's it pretty much. This one has the rotating option. Again, you can put it on a tool belt, wall, whatever you can think of that will be helpful for you. Again, if you would like to take this out without tearing the paper part that's holding it in place, if you use your finger and slightly move this up and then try to push that down, you should be able to get it out. And this is the box that comes with it. As I said, everything is in one place. So this is the 15-piece, and this is the 32-piece. So you can see the difference in size. So again, if you would like to open it, at the bottom, pull the plastic part up, it will open. Now, with this one, everything is in one place. So if I were to zoom in, you should be able to see the parts that come with it. Now the major difference, this one compared to the 15-piece, is the sizes of this. So as you can see here, this one is definitely smaller. So if I were to take a piece from the 15-piece, let's say take that one, I mean the difference is huge. The output on the back is definitely the same, but the length are totally different. So let's check. So this plastic bit, the extender, I mean that's how I call it, probably there's a specific name for it, is exactly the same with the 15-piece and 32-piece. So there's no difference. So there's no difference in that. If I were to put that back, and this one back here, so I were to zoom a little bit out. So this is how they look side by side. Now if I take the small one and do the exact same thing I showed you on the previous video, so the cordless screwdriver, this one won't fit in there. It will fit, but it will move around, it will fall out. So you can't use that one for either the 15-piece or the 32-piece. But we know from a fact that it will definitely fit on the cordless drill. So again, with this one, as I showed you the previous time, anti-clockwise it will open it, clockwise it will close it. So if I were to put that in there, so because this one is smaller, you need to keep your hand pretty much hold it in the air once it stays in place and closes. So I don't know if I'm not entirely sure if you would necessarily use the PARKSIDE, but there's definitely some other tool from PARKSIDE to use for the small bits compared to the longer ones. Again, it will be in there, but what I'm going to do is, so if I were to take it out and test it with the other part that comes with the PARKSIDE drill. So if I were to push the red one, this red towards the left side, it will take it out, and then that one, if I put it here, this seems better. Now Now it's for you to judge. So, I mean, it's a bit hard to get it out now, so just give it one moment. There we go, I managed to get it out. So the major difference here is that this is longer in length, and you can easily put it in and get it out. Whereas with this one, it's small, and getting it out is going to be it's not easy, but it won't be as easy as the big one. Just makes it so. The other difference here is with those two is that we get more different options with the small bits than what you get with the bigger ones. So the bigger ones, you get the most generic ones, from what you can see, the most widely used. And then with the small, which is the 32-bit set, you definitely get more options. And you get this one specifically here, this specific here, which you don't get with the 15 bits. So this one has a smaller one and a bigger one. So let me double check something. That one goes there. No, it doesn't go there. Again, I'm not entirely sure why would you use that, but it's there in case you need it. And this is it pretty much. So if you would like to use both bit sets, either a drill, either a PARKSIDE or a whichever you wish, but it will definitely not fit on the cordless screwdriver unless you get some sort of adapter. Some sort of adapter that goes in here, then that has the adapter head for the other ones. But just to show you again, so if I take one from the 15 piece and from the 32, difference in size. There's a huge difference in size. So there's no issue if you're going to use the small bit set and then with the adapter here, you're going to have no issue with the drill. No issue at all. So pretty much you'll buy the small one if you'd like to have more options. So you're getting, for example, you have 15. So you should be. So you have 15 pieces. You get 15 pieces with the adapter in this one, and this one you get 32 pieces with the adapter and this specific one here. But so far I haven't seen an adapter. That will be used for those. There is definitely there is one. But if I manage to come across one, then I will definitely make another video showing you. But what you're getting is this is a 32 piece, $6.99, and this is the 15 piece for $6.99 again, bought from Lidl. Good quality, everything in one place in a nice box. It definitely feels premium, nice and tidy. Even if I try to move it, there's barely any noise. And that's it pretty much. So this is what you're getting. In case you would like to see the paper packaging in terms of size, this is how they look like. And that's it pretty much. Again, thank you guys for watching the video. Do press the like button, subscribe to the channel for more content, and until next time, stay safe and take care.